A string of consumer companies reported this week that they are making money from their most expensive products, and they expect to keep doing so despite a cost of living crisis that shows no sign of abating. Sharply higher interest rates, surging inflation, and an energy crisis have led many analysts to believe the global economy is heading towards recession. But millions of wealthier consumers are sitting on cushions of savings built during the health crisis. Now they're keen to treat themselves after 2 years of restrictions. Fashion brand Hermes reported a record quarterly profit margin on Friday. Sales rose sharply due to strong growth in Europe and the US. China also rebounded. The company said it does not expect any slowdown in any region, even though the company raised prices 4% this year. It's not just in fashion where luxury is performing. Car maker Renault said a new strategy of selling fewer but more profitable cars had paid off. It raised its forecast for full-year margins as a result. And while wealthier consumers' savings are still being eroded by inflation, they currently seem focused on newfound freedoms. British Airways also announced a return to profit on Friday for the first time since the global health crisis. Many consumers, though, are worried the economy will get rapidly worse this winter. In the UK, the cost of food has leapt by 10% year on year, and energy bills are expected to rise sharply. That will plunge hundreds of thousands into financial jeopardy and unable to spend on anything but absolute basics.